The fundamental purpose of careers in the hospitality, events, and tourism cluster is to enhance quality of life, comfort, and entertainment for individuals, whether local or traveling for business or leisure. Work in this cluster offers constant engagement with people, a variety of challenges to troubleshoot, and a lively pace. Important skills include clear communication, flexibility, people management, budgeting, and strong time management. These skills are a foundation both for career mobility in the cluster and to work in other industries in the U.S. or abroad. The ability to read social cues and understand how to resolve issues with grace and courtesy are helpful qualities, especially for advancement. Careers in this cluster that often require no experience or training include fast food workers, dishwashers, hosts, ushers, cleaners, and amusement and recreation attendants. A high school diploma and some experience is often required to work as a bartender, hotel desk clerk, travel agent, tour guide, restaurant server, or baker. Many careers require short-term training from a few months to about 2 years, including cooks and chefs, supervisors of housekeeping or janitorial workers, event support staff, or specialized travel coordinators. Careers that usually require a bachelor's degree include food service managers, meeting and event planners, marketing and promotions managers, and general managers of resorts and hotels. Is a career in hospitality, events, and tourism for you? Keep these points in mind. Work schedules often include some evenings, weekends, and holidays. Workers in this cluster sometimes need to switch tasks on a moment's notice and prioritize customer satisfaction in fast-paced, high-pressure situations, which can be exciting, but also mentally draining. Jobs in culinary, housekeeping, and event setup can be physically demanding, requiring long periods of standing, lifting, and working in hot or fast-paced conditions. Many entry-level positions, especially in food service and lodging operations, offer lower initial wages, though earnings can increase through tips and promotions. The industry is known for promoting from within, with many managers starting in entry-level positions and working their way up quickly. Whatever your career direction, you can find options that fit. Keep exploring at CareerOneStop.org/explorecareers.